The Pawious F900 Plus wireless dog fence, a very complete advanced wireless dog fence. This is the collar that goes onto your dog. Make sure you check it daily so that it is seating properly on your dog. Now this unit is awesome because not only will it create a virtual fence, but if you have a well-trained dog, it will start with some audio and then it will work its way up to a vibration and then a strong vibration and then a shock. So that way you can love your dog but still have your wireless fence as well. And for a very untrained dog, you can just jump into the shock or the static mode right there, and you can control everything with this. And this is an awesome unit that shows you where your dog is and the boundaries are being activated. So this is the user manual right here. A lot of stuff is set up and it's very detailed and it is very functional. So you have that. You have the dog training guide right here to help you train your dog to make sure that they are obedient, and you got a lot of love but still be able to keep them fenced virtually. This is up to an acre of area coverage. So you have all these accessories inside. So here is your dog collar. So let me open this up and show you what you have in a dog collar. Here it is. This is your dog collar. And you have a lot of accessories. A lot of people are always surprised about how much stuff you get in here. It's a very well packaged kit. So you have the dog collar right here. And then we have the remote holder. This is your remote holder. So we'll open up the remote holder and show you how that looks right here. So here is your remote holder. And this is where you can use this to mount onto the remote, right? So this thing right here, you can kind of have it here, and then you prop the feet out right here. That's one, and that's two. And it's kind of like a nice little stand that you can prop your remote on like that. So it's easy to see and it's clicky, and you have some grippy surface here so it doesn't slip around. So you have that, you have your remote here, and then one more item right here is your product accessories, right? So this one right here includes the charging cable, it includes the contact points that you're going to attach onto here, and it's going to have your test light tools and your boundary flags. Boundary flags are nice because that way you can have a visual indication for your pet. That way your dog can see before they even have to deal with the audio vibration, the audio alert, the vibrations, or the static alert, right? So here, this is all the stuff in here. So we're gonna open this up and show you what you get. So these are your fences right here for your boundaries. Pawious, very nice, little nice boundary flags. Your USB charging cable, it is USB Type-C charging. So if you look right here, you can see this is where you charge it via USB Type-C right there. So just connect this and then charge it like so. So now, based on your dog, you may have to use different contact points. So you have different options right here. For example, if you have a very furry dog, then you want to have a little bit deeper contact points, and versus the ones that don't have a lot of hair, then you can have a shorter contact points. But definitely make sure you check on your pet too. And they have this piece. This is a tester tool, so you'll be able to test the results before you actually put it onto your dog. And then of course you have the user manual that we talked about earlier. So that's pretty much the whole kit right here. This is the F900 Plus Pawious system, and it comes with all these pieces right here. So there we go. Very complete sets and very capable wireless dog fence right here, the Pawious F900 Plus.